Hi, this is James Maroney from First Choice College Placement. Today we're going to go over an average and a median problem. First thing we always do with an SAT problem is we start by reading the problem. The average of the 5 numbers above is the same as the median of these numbers. What is one possible value of x? Okay, first thing we need to do to find a median, we put things in order from the smallest to the biggest. 2, 7, 11, and 12. Okay, so now what is the median here? Well, the median could be 7 or 11. Okay, so, and how do we know there's going to be more than one right answer? It says one possible value of x, which means there's more than one right answer, and we just have to put in one of them and we would have the correct answer. Now, how do I know the median has to be either 7 or 11? Well, if x is smaller than 7, let's say it's 1, 2, 7, 11, and 12. And again, what's the median? The median is the middle number when we put things in order from the smallest to the biggest. So if x is smaller than 7, 7 would have to be the median. If x is bigger than 11, so let's say 2, 7, 11, 12, and 13, then 11 would have to be the median. So first, let's start by solving if the median is 7. So that would mean that the average of those is also going to be equal to 7. So 2, and what's average? Average is sum, 2 plus 7 plus 11 plus 12 plus x, sum divided by number of numbers, divided by 5, and we know that that equals, what's that equal? It equals 7. And so 2, 7, 11, and 12, 9, 11 is 20, 20 and 12, so 32 plus x equals 7. 32 plus x divided by 5 equals 7. So now what do? We multiply both sides by 5 so we don't have to deal with the fraction. Do unto one side as we do unto the other. We can do whatever we want as long as we do the same exact thing to both sides. So 32 plus x equals 35. So now minus 32 minus 32, and we get that x equals 3. So what is one possible value of x? 3. We could go back and do the same thing but set it equal to 11 if we wanted to, and then go through and solve it. So 32 plus x would equal, so instead of equaling 7, it would equal 11. So 5 times 11 is 55, so we could say that 32 plus x equals 55 minus 32 minus 32. X would equal 55 minus 32. X could equal 23. So it could equal 3 or it could equal 23. So again, what are the keys here? Reading the problem. Average. What's the average? Average is the sum divided by the number of numbers. Sometimes we need to work backwards, right, and know that the sum is the average times the number of numbers, and that's what we did here to solve. We multiplied both sides by 5. Median. Median is the middle number when we put things in order from the smallest to the biggest. If there's an even number, the median is the average of the middle two. But here there are 5 numbers in our set. It's an odd number, so we know the median had to be either 7 or 11. Thanks for tuning in, and check for our problem of the week next week. We'll be launching online SAT classes in the spring of 2014. We also offer online private tutoring for either the SAT or ACT. Visit www.firstchoicecollege.com to learn more.